welcome to my bay. Good morning from our private longtail boat tour. Sunrise. What time is it, Holly?
It is 6:52 a.m.
6:52 a.m. I can't remember the last time I saw this time without staying up all night. It's nice. It's quiet and it's private and there's no one around. This is Phi Leh Lagoon, I think.
Yeah.
I think that's the name of it.
Yeah.
It's very pretty. Yeah, it's perfect.
Very shallow.
Yeah.
It's tucked.
I'm very much looking forward to getting into the water so I can wake up a bit. Oh look, here they come. Oh, all the other private people. And not so private. Ah.
What are you stood on?
The floor? Why are you all scared of the floor? It's fine.
I told you I wanted my water shoes. Okay, yeah, the floor's okay.
It's beautiful. Look at the crystal clear water. Imagine being at home and just flopping into the water at like 6 a.m. Oh, we've got some nice fish. Ray fish, one lonesome fish. I don't know where he's gone. It was a little stripy friend. Look, this might be the clearest water I've ever seen.
Very calm.
Ah, lots of small fish. Let's have a wander over here. Oh wow, look at them all! Man, I love fish. No litter, just leaves, which is always lovely to see. Ouch! Look at this. Our own private little spot. Ah, one water bottle. This is beautiful. Oh, Holly's swimming. Just look at the scenery. Fucking awesome. I love it.
This is 400 baht for...
So this is the start of the much esteemed Maya Bay. I don't know what it is yet, so I can't comment. But you've got to pay 200 baht each to get onto it. Which isn't extortionate. We can do that. I mean, it's nice already. Do you know what it is? I've not even seen a photo or anything. I don't know what we're walking towards.
It's a beach.
Right.
That is protected by the national park and it's got reef sharks in it.
This is the one with sharks?
This has got reef sharks, but we're not allowed to swim here.
I'm confused. So, blacktip reef sharks. And I've cut myself, of course I have. As I just said, it wouldn't be a day trip if I didn't end up with an injury. I must always be injured. It's kind of become my trademark. But just before you go and swim with an apex predator that loves blood, I'm bleeding. I like to do things a silly way, as always. Maya Bay is surrounded by majestic cliffs and rocky hills. Maya Bay forms the shape of a crescent moon. The small bay's hypnotic scenery. Is that a word?
Not heard of it.
I've never seen that one before. Hypnotic scenery, emerald waters and pristine smooth beaches have made it a popular destination for sunbathing, strolling and swimming. After being featured as a dreamy backdrop for several hit movies, Maya Bay has become one of the world's most recognisable and picture-perfect locales. Yes, it has. Of course it has.
And it's 7:35 a.m.
And it's 7:35 a.m, which is why I have no charisma. I am tired. No swimming at Maya Bay, which is incredibly disappointing, but I understand. Here we go, here's a call sign. Welcome to Maya Bay. So here we are, this is the beautiful Maya Bay. Not allowed to swim. Protect the ocean and the blacktip reef sharks.
Yeah.
Holly's here. Very, very nice. We arrived like 20 minutes ago on our little private tour, and now there's
hordes of people coming in.
Hordes is correct. But what do you expect? We're in beautiful places in Thailand. You can't escape it. Even if you book a private tour. Boats and boats and boats. But I'm looking forward to swimming at the next spot, which is where there's proper blacktip reef sharks, and we get to snorkel with them, which is wild. Just take you into the sea. There's only so far I'm allowed to go, but look. Look how crystal clear it is. It's beautiful. We've got some incredibly dramatic scenery. I know that's a word I just keep using, but I'm not a walking thesaurus, and there's only so many ways I can describe scenery. Guess what word I used?
I can't remember the word.
No, I didn't use obelisk.
Obelisk.
But none of this is obelisk-like. Dramatic, wasn't it? Whoa! Reef sharks. That's unbelievable.
Everyone, don't go too close to them. They're gonna go away.
No way! Did you see him?
Yeah. Oh, it's coming this way.
Probably smells my foot.
Wow.
Oh my god!
So close to them on video.
Wow. Oh, there's another one.
Yeah.
Behind.
That's unbelievable. Of course, you haven't got a phone in your hand for the first time.
No. You put it back. back.
Quickly, run and get it. Oh my god. Can't believe that. I just thought we wouldn't encounter them. I'm trying to chase them so I don't lose them. Holly's got to get a phone to take a photo. Here we go. Welcome to my bay. I am, yeah.
Okay.
Thanks. Here we go. Posy shit done for the time being. Off to the next spot. Just for the record, Maya Beach, these tsunami evacuation routes are some of the most confusing things I've ever seen. You've got arrows pointing in every different direction, and one is just straight up a cliff. Which, fair enough, I understand, get to higher ground, but, like, really? Keep your eye out, you'll see, like, that was pointing in one direction, you're going to see one in a second go in a different direction.
Meters up into the wilderness.
But, like, now that one's saying go back that way. This makes no sense to me. Which is the way out? You're just going to have hordes of people running into each other.
I'm sure there'll be some people.
Lovely shrine. There is no time, Holly. Right, so Caparis, was that the one, or was it this one? There we go, Holly. Kadapa. Remember I saw these leaves and said, this is what I feed to my shrimp?
Oh yeah.
These are Kadapa leaves. I pay £10 for like 5 of these. Unbelievable.
Wow.
They're massive, and I just use little bits at a time. Huh?
Any seeds we can get?
I'm not going to be able to grow it in Cleethorpes.
Maybe in the greenhouse.
Now, just as a follow-up, see, now they're saying 50 metres straight up there. How the fuck do you expect me to get up there? In an emergency? 50 metres up? They refuse viewpoints at a reasonable incline at that point.
It's an emergency. I think the adrenaline might kick in.
Oh, you'd never make it up that, Holly. You're struggling to get back on a boat. Look at the hordes of people coming in now. We just got here at the right time. It's the only thing about doing these trips. You can't ask for it all to yourself, but because they're always hot spots, you just get unbelievable levels of humanity wading through. Jesus. All wearing pretty much identical things. What can you do? White tourists. Like I'm not one of them. Now, how much did that cost to get in?
It was 400 baht per person to just come into Maya Beach.
But I think that was more than worth it. We actually saw the sharks that I wasn't expecting to see. I thought we'd get home later and go, can't believe we went on a trip specifically to see black-tip reef sharks and didn't see any. But straight away we did. Several of them. And got cool videos of them.
Yeah.
And it was a beautiful little spot. And I saw Kadapa leaves in the wild, which I was weirdly looking forward to. Seeing a leaf. But another little goal accomplished. And I was able to clean my bleeding foot before we go to the next spot.
I'm pleased.
Get munched on by sharks.
Yeah, I'm pleased you cleaned your bleeding foot. We don't need to be attracting any apex predators towards us.
No, I'd rather not. It would just be my luck that they would have a good nibble on me.
Sometimes people can eat.
Did the man tell us that they're vegetarian last night?
He did,
They
but I'm
can't
not
be.
sure it's true.
No, I think it was just a joke. But they can't be. A fucking shark is a carnivore.
They eat fish.
And there we go. That's my bay, baby. Woohoo! Oh my god. Look at the queue of the indistinct white people. Here we go. Escape Maya Bay. I don't know how we find the bloke. Oh, what? Do you think you'll radio him or? Yeah. That's how we find our boat. We've got park rangers that just hang out, waiting to shout your boat over for you. Don't know if you can see all these lovely little tiny schools of fish. Schools of tiny fish, I mean. There's a very colourful black and white fish down there. I'm not sure what he is, but lovely. Love Phi Phi Sea Star. Look at this. That certainly ruins the tranquil experience of Maya Bay. Look at it all. Beautiful on the other side. Then you get to this side and it's utter chaos again. But this is why we did the super early tour, to try and get ahead of this. Not that it appears to have worked, but here we are. It's what we do. Woo! Beautiful. No jellyfish. Woohoo!
Thank God.
Right.
My bikini top is falling down. Thank you.
Once you get the hang of it, you just got to grab different bits, don't you? Yeah. Oh, I can't help myself.
Oh.
I'm obsessed.
It's crazy. There's a big old... There's a drip on the
Yeah, that's
screen.
fine. There's a big old drip on here. I am the drip. Right, let's rock and roll. So this is a test to check if I've blown out the microphone. We are now going to Monkey Beach. So, we've got to Monkey Beach and lo and behold, guess what there is? Hello little monkey friend. Monkey up there. Yeah. I wonder why they like it here. Oh baby! How's it going, buddy?
It's a good idea to let go as we go through.
Okay. What are you eating? How good's this? Hello, monkey friend. Yeah? There's a little baby over there. Hello, little baby. Hello. What lovely. Where are you going? I think this is the best bit about Thailand personally, the monkeys. Like, I previously loved the elephant bit, but now I've learned enough that the elephants aren't so cool anymore.
Well, the elephants are amazing.
They're amazing,
the
but
way
it's
that they're treated.
yeah, the efficacy of the elephant stuff that sort of ruins it. But the monkeys that just hang out. Granted, you can do this in Gibraltar, but look at this guy. Hello, friend. How's it going? Oh, Holly, they're grooming over here. Yeah, they're grooming. Right, it's a family. Oh, little baby friend.
I was just doing a video and then you put the GoPro in front of it.
Oh! What are you doing, little buddy? Just monkeying around. Oh, very cool. I like you a lot. Yeah? Zoom in on him. That's what I look like as a baby. How amazing! Monkey Beach, who would have thought it? Where are you going, buddy? Where are you off? Can you swim? You're so nice. What? What do you think he's going to do with the camera? Why would he want it?
Run off with it. He might think, oh, look at this fun toy. Like fun toys? See, I told you.
You're not allowed the GoPro. I need it. Otherwise I would give you it. If I had another one, you could have it. You are incredible.
He's not interested. He's a baby, he likes to eat.
Oh. How's it going today? Have you got any plans? Give him the cup if he wants the cup. Maybe monkeys like soju. Well, I'm fascinated by this big daddy monkey. You are a monster. Is that mummy over there and a little baby grooming himself? Just a family of monkeys. Well, it looks to me... Oh yeah, by the way, check the scenery out. I'm so fascinated with the monkeys. Oh! Holly! Oh my God. I didn't even see him there. You eating a little bit of coconut or something? Some bread maybe? It's okay, you can have it. Look up there.
You can't see what I'm filming.
And look at the scenery. This trip has been so worth it. This is unbelievable. Like the 7 Island trip from Onang was exceptional, but this is, I think, a different level again, don't you?
Yeah. Got a nice private boat.
Yeah, we could you can just take your time and not have to rush, which is unprecedented on these trips. Like when we were in Turkey a few months ago, it was just like you jump off the boat and you start swimming and they go, right, come back, come back, come back. Oh, for fuck's sake, let me swim, let me enjoy myself, please. But this is just unbelievable. And it's so cheap, really, for what you're getting. So that's Monkey Beach. That's been spectacular. I've got monkey selfies, we've seen families grooming each other, baby monkeys, mama monkeys, daddy monkeys, monkeys eating stuff, monkeys eating coconut, bread. It's fascinating to see how they live, just like, well, obviously like little people, which essentially is what they are. I was about to try and relay some monkey facts, but I've seen Ricky Gervais destroy people for getting them wrong and confusing monkeys with chimps and...
Okay, well, this isn't a monkey joke, but what is... Oh. What's that on the brush? I love you.
That's proper monkey stuff. Hello, buddy. That's a lovely tail. Look at them. There's one up there. This is the real deal. Look at his balls. There's some big balls. Oh, monkey friend. He looks like he's after something. Oh, amazing!
Oh, look.
Look at the baby eating pineapple. You don't have to run away, baby. Oh, that's a lot of pineapple in one go, buddy. Whoa.
Sometimes.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hello, monkey with baby.
Oh.
Oh, amazing. Look at it. Can I give one? Can I give one? Can I give one? Thank you. You want that one? Thank you so much. Kokong Club. Here you go, friend. Got it? Amazing! I fed the monkey. What a special place. Oh, where's our guy? That's unbelievable. So one of the main things I wanted to do was feed a monkey, but stupidly I forgot to get my rabies jab before I came out here. So I've been very reluctant to do it, but I was just handed a piece of pineapple and the monkey was very gracious. So that's been incredible. Ah, one more last monkey shot. Ah. Hello, beautiful. Oh, you look unhappy. Unbelievable. That's been one of the best things of the trip so far. Monkey Beach, baby. What was that? I don't know if that was a monkey or a human.